So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to draw with your trackpad here on a document on Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Word document. Once that is done, go to the top left in between insert and design. There is the draw tab, press on that. Now, if you just want to draw with your mouse or whatever, simply just press on a pen right here and draw whatever you want. Now, if you want to draw with your trackpad, for instance, just simply go ahead and unpress it right here. Unpress the draw button, and then press the draw button. Then go to where it says draw with trackpad. Make sure that it is turned on. Then once that is done, you can actually draw with your trackpad right here. As you can tell, draw with one finger, move with two, and it'll work just like that. So super straightforward, super simple. This is how to draw with your trackpad here on Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.